From brain-controlled devices to revolutionary robots that will change the way we live forever, here are 15 new technologies invented by AI. Number 15. Low-code/no-code development gone are the days where building an app and a tool was only for engineers. As we enjoy the first days of 2026, we think it's fair to say that 75% of new apps will be built by using low-code or no-code platforms such as Glide, Bubble, or OpenAI. Zero code will be used to bring these apps to live. You could even make use of those custom GPTs in these platforms. What's particularly fascinating about this shift is how it's democratizing innovation across industries. Small business owners, educators, and creative professionals who once needed to hire entire development teams can now prototype and launch functional applications in a matter of hours rather than months. The barrier between having an idea and bringing it to market has essentially collapsed, creating opportunities for entrepreneurship that simply didn't exist a few years ago. Number 14. AI-crafted experiences in extended reality. Another game changer that is coming in 2026 is how VR won't just be for headsets and games anymore. As we carry on in 2026, we'll find that these devices are getting so smart, it's almost as though they were thinking for themselves based on what we are doing. Already, NVIDIA has accomplished this with real-time characters that can engage the user in proper conversations. The future is truly exciting. Number 13. Smart infrastructure and LOT 2.0. It is believed that by the time the year is done, there will be more than 30 million LOT devices. This means that there will be traffic lights that adjust in real time based on congestion, warehouses used by AWS or Verizon to keep tabs on their inventory without input, and smart poles in South Korea that can do anything from charging people's phones to monitoring the quality of air. Number 12. Privacy AI. By the time 2026 is done, we'll find that Apple's new processing chips can handle AI tasks directly on your device. This means that there will be no cloud or no upload. All we'll see is rapid, private processing. Some models, such as Llama's 3 models, can be run locally as well. With such a system, it is clear that AI is learning how to stay offline while keeping the data privately for the owner. Number 11. Workflow automation at scale. We're talking about tools such as ServiceNow, UiPath, and Zapier. These tools are helping companies with the task of automating full workflows. We're talking about anything from hiring to invoicing without human intervention. Already, ServiceNow has reported up to 65% reduction in repetitive tasks thanks to automation in warehouses. The impact extends beyond just time savings, though. Companies are discovering that automation allows their human employees to focus on higher value work that requires creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking. This shift is fundamentally changing job descriptions across sectors, with workers being upskilled to manage and optimize these automated systems rather than performing the repetitive tasks themselves. Number 10. AI-enhanced robotics in retail and logistics. We found that companies such as Agility Robotics have already begun the process of deploying its digital robots at Amazon warehouses back in 2024. Walmart has also given the use of autonomous shelf scanners in more than 1,000 bots. These bots are using AI vision, real-time mapping, and the likes, without human intervention. Number 9. AI-native operation systems. Autocorrection and text suggestions look like they will be handled by AI, as they would be integrated into AI systems before the year runs out. Already, Microsoft has been testing Copilot within Windows 11. That is why you can find that you can ask your desktop to summarize files, rewrite emails, or generate images with ease for the user. Apple is expected to follow suit by announcing more AI native features in Mac OS and iOS as well. This supersedes apps at this point. Now we expect that AI is going to assist your whole system, thinking with you being there every step of the way. Number 8. Wearables that are more in sync with the user wearables aren't just cool accessories anymore. As 2026 carries on, you'll find that they are turning into health monitors that can track stress, blood oxygen, and early illness all day long. As we speak, Aura and Whoop have achieved some success in this field, so much so that they give the users recovery scores and sleep cycles. Updates are now able to track blood sugar tracking without finger pricks. There are even some smart rings that can detect changes in skin temperatures before you fall sick. Add the fact that a lot of these devices now feed data to AI, that gives the user personalized nudges, and you will find that this could be one of the most useful AI health tools in the years to come. Number 7. Quantum computing nears utility. Next up, we take a look at how quantum computing is going to surpass the realm of sci-fi so that it can show up in real workflows. In 2023, it was reported that IBM had hit 1,000 qubits. As such, we can see how they plan to release a 1,386 qubit chip in 2026. They seem to also have plans to develop error-corrected systems that are getting closer to doing something practical, such as simulating molecules for new drugs or optimizing supply chains way faster than ever before. Sure, we are still in the early days, but these demos are getting realer by the day. Number 6. AR glasses. As the year carries on, we may find that AI glasses might replace the long-established screens that we use today. To be honest, this is fair enough as we have been talking about these AI glasses for quite some time now. Apple Vision Pro started this trend, and now others such as Meta and Samsung are hoping to push things further. Working on lightweight glasses with real-time overlays, it is only a matter of time before live captions and navigation arrows will become the norm with these AR specs. Imagine walking through a foreign city and seeing instant translations of every sign, menu, and conversation floating right in your field of vision, or attending a business meeting where your AR glasses discreetly display relevant data, meeting notes, and participant information without you ever having to glance at your phone. The potential applications span from education to professional work environments, fundamentally changing how we interact with information in our daily lives. Number 5. Personal AI healthcare. Let's take a look at how Google DeepMind announced that its AI models could detect 21 types of diseases from retinal scans back in 2024. It was believed to be so effective that it was deemed to detect these diseases earlier than humans could. In the US right now, their hospitals are already using AI to analyze patient data and spot ailments hours before the symptoms hit the patient. We are even seeing AI being used in cancer treatment planning and personalizing chemo treatments based on the patient's genetic makeup. Number 4. Edge A, iChips 2026 will also be the year that we will have AI chips in any of the phones or laptops that you buy in 2026. Edge A, I will bring real-time intelligence on said devices, no cloud or lag, and you will find that, for example, Apple's A17 and M4 chips are able to do this. That's why you will find that problems with issues such as real-time translations, image editing, and voice recognition will work instantly. Number 3. AI-powered home assistants. Next up, we'll take a look at how any devices will get to the next level thanks to AI. For example, in the past, we know that smart speakers used to just make music. Now you'd find that they are mobile. Just take a look at Amazon's Astro. Initially, it was introduced as a home robot back in 2021. However, it has since gotten smarter, so much so that it is now being used for home patrol, elder care, and voice command delivery inside homes and offices. Apple is also working on its own version of such a device, with J595 being a robot that can swivel while tracing users on FaceTime calls. Number 2. Humanoid robots. In 2026, we find that we are at the point where the humanoid robots are out and about. In fact, they aren't just walking around, they are actually hard at work. Companies such as Figure A, I have signed a partnership with BMW to bring Figure 01, its humanoid robot, into their automotive factories and assembly lines. Digit, Agility Robotics' humanoid robot, is being deployed in logistics environments as we speak. This is due to the fact that these robots can perform all sorts of repetitive tasks with enough dexterity to work. Add the fact that these humanoid robots are also becoming economically affordable, if you will, and you will find that 2026 might actually be the year of the humanoid robot. Number 1. AI agents that work for you. At our pole position, we find that we have AI agents that go further than just handling prompts for the user. In fact, the user will find that these AI agents are now handling full tasks for them. Take Devin. This is an AI software engineer that was demoed by Cognition Labs back in 2024. It is purported to be able to build a full website, debug code, and deploy it autonomously. Other AI agents such as AutoGPT are able to chain tasks together. With such tools in play, you have AI agents that you can fully delegate tasks to. That's the end, guys. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Until next time, take care.